Open stock down a further 5.37%. Yesterday, the 22nd, it lost 12.43%. So is the rally over now? The extrapolation seems to be suggesting that we're going to have a contraction of the relentless expansion that ensured that the 10-day moving average, 10-day moving average constantly served as a primary demand line, at least up till Wednesday the 10th of this month, Wednesday the 10th of September. So is the rally over now? Um, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that this is the daily chart. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts and see what it is suggesting. Yeah, the algo is also saying the same, even though we can't go that far based on this extrapolation. This goes as far as only the 2nd of October, but the daily chart goes all the way towards the end of October. Yeah, that's what it does up to the end of October. Yeah, up till Thursday, the 30th of October. Let's have a look at the weekly chart as well. That one is also a more durable extrapolation. No, we don't have any here on the daily on the weekly chart. So, but we can still say, yeah, if this extrapolation is anything to go by, then we may say that the extrapolation is sorry, the rally may be over. There's a couple of you may have seen that already yesterday. There's something written out there. Let's see here, it's saying why open stock is nose diving. Okay, so somebody called the stock a total garbage. Yeah, someone called the company total garbage. The person is a fund manager. He founded $2 billion hedge he founded $2 billion hedge funds. Noted that the company had lost money every single year since its founding and had atrocious unit economics. So unit economics refers to anything you can relate, anything that drives value, anything that brings value, to the company's revenues, anything that is responsible for the company's revenues. So if you relate the revenues to those things, those units, so it could be customers, it could be input and all those kind of things. So we don't exactly know what they are referring in this case, atrocious unit economics for which item. So the hash critic arrived as another investor. This guy also announced a short position in company. The negative sentiment compounded the company's existing struggles, including internal workforce reductions and declining revenue. Okay, so what we know for sure is, regardless of sentiment and fundamentals, if short sellers, I mean, if the market feels that there's money to be made because short sellers have locked money up into the stock, we'll continue to see this sort of uptrend. We'll continue to see this spike, because it's fundamentals. Sorry, the technicals, things, technical issues like short positions, they come before fundamentals. If there's money in a stock, if there's money to be made from a stock, um, some of the leading traders and if you like, some of the leading market participants and traders will be out there to squeeze the money out, and while they are doing so, other retail hands will join them to join in the squeeze. So fundamentals, yes, you need to know about that. They're very much important, but they're not they're a lot more remote. They're by far more remote than short interests and the struggle to borrow, all those kind of things. If those things materialize, the fundamentals can be totally garbage, just as the fund manager indicated. But there's money to be made. So that's the contradiction there. That's a contradiction there. And you have seen that yourself. You may find a company that is about to go bankrupt, and then that is where everybody wants to be, because the short sellers are there locking up money into the stock, and they have to exit that. And the dynamics is that sometimes they may find it difficult to exit their positions, and it is an opportunity to squeeze the stock and force their positions to so the company can take advantage of its prominence now and do something about what's going on. They have the strength that is playing out on the stock. Unfortunately, it may lead to dilutions and stuff like that. But there's an opportunity for them to change things and turn things around. We've seen that with the likes of AMC and GameStop. So yeah, there might be something out there. Something can be done about the fundamental shortcomings. Yeah, so I'm not sure that the stock has lost its it has lost the prominence it has. I don't think it has. You can see people are still here trading the stock heavily. Short sellers are surely there here as well too, without any doubt. Short sellers are here. I surely believe that the short interest on the stock is still very high. So even though we are looking at the prospects of lower prices, never say never. We may still see a resumption of the uptrend. We may still see that, but don't bank on that regardless. So this is what's currently going on. I don't exactly know how active it is. It is active, surely it is. But the fact that we are looking at those sort of numbers we have there, 192, 164, this is very active. It hasn't gone away. Short sellers are still around, and the highly active traders are also still around. So maybe this is not the end of open stock. Maybe the rally is not over yet. Probably not over yet. Okay, let's just see what's going on up there. Whether there are positions on the to the upside where people are expecting it to test in the future. Okay, we don't see anything there. Down here we have 7.88. People expecting it to come all the way down. If they're saying oh, look at that. Okay, sorry, it has changed. The price has changed now. Okay, it's changed. I saw some action at lower prices. So yeah, I'm right. What's going on here? 7.92, and yeah, still the same price. I'm getting confused. It's the page wants to remain here. Wants to remain here. 7.92. So yeah, each time the lots change, it brings me back there. It seems. Yeah, nothing to the downside. So it's still there, but not very active as such. But not so active as such. But it is active. There, it is active. I think not as volatile, but active but not so volatile. Yeah, active but not volatile. Yes. Others are going through. People are still big, and you saw that it wasn't the same before. People are buying. People are also trying to sell. I think more buying here than selling, obviously. But they're actually aggressive. As a matter of fact, they're actually aggressive. Mostly aggressive because you can see the whole lot is on this on the current price. Okay, no, no, no. I think they're not that. This is not aggression. If it were aggression, they will be. Well, you could. I can't completely say it's not aggression because we can see. I mean, because the point I'm trying to make is that this is not the current price. The current price is 7.92, and this lot is on 7.91. It does not mean. Well, it's not aggression, because if they were aggressive, this order would have gone through. So this order is strictly for 7.91, and there's no exchange yet. No trade has gone through. Nothing. Okay, some of it has gone through. Yeah, it seems, or has it been modified? It seems may have been modified or something like that. It may have been modified or something because we haven't seen any change. Yeah. Or it may have gone through, but not reflecting yet. There might be a lag or something like that. So I think I can conclude. I can say the aggression is not really an aggression. Not the aggression is not there because the aggression is usually on market orders. The orders would have gone through. You give it the order. I want it now. I want it on the prevailing price, the going price. That's aggression. But right now we're looking at 7.91, which is not exactly where the stock is trading. If anything, it is these guys here that are more on the aggressive side. But I think I can speak more about this the buy side. Yeah, the buy side because oh no. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this no, sorry, I got that wrong. They can see that this is the bid, this is the buy side. So these guys are aggressive. Yes, they are aggressive. Yes. So I take back my words. Aggression is presently prevailing. Yes, this is aggression. Surely this is aggression. Both on both sides. Aggression on both sides. Yeah. Yeah. So do we need to look at the 1 minute chart? Yeah, we probably have to look and see what's going on. Downward projections. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's saying that a bounce might occur, but it's not going to be. It's not good. By the time you watch this, it wouldn't be relevant. Projections are saying 8.06. Let's see what we have: 8.32, 8.26, 8.19. Yeah, intraday high 10.97. That was on the, I think, 11th of September. Yeah. Yeah, so aggression most surely is in place. Okay, this is not the case of aggression. You can see that the price is the bid is 7.91. Look over here. Yeah, and then you can see some aggression. This is most certainly not aggression, a lot more passive. Yeah. So see what you make of open stock. It is yeah. The question that I ask is the rally over now? Who knows? At some point it may come to an end, but going by what we're looking at right now, maybe not. Yeah. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.